We now have a very, very special guest soloist. Ginger Commodore is a marvelous, marvelous singer and storyteller. And she's first going to come out and sing a song. The song was composed by our clarinet player, who's in the back of the orchestra, Paul Schulz, and it's called As I Was Going to St. Ives. And it's all about counting.
As I was going to St. Ives, I met a man with 7 wives. Each wife had 7 sacks. Each sack had 7 cats. Each cat had 7 little kittens. Kittens, cats, sacks, and wives. How many were going to St. Ives? How are we going to figure this out? Shall we do a little math? Here we go. As I was going to St. Ives, there's 1. I met a man. There's another with 7 wives. Oh, there's 7 more. Each wife had 7 sacks. How many sacks are there? There are 7 wives with 7 sacks. 7 times 7 is 49. So there are 49 sacks. Each sack had 7 cats. How many cats are there? Well, we have 49 sacks, each with 7 cats. 49 times 7 is 343. So there are 343 cats. Oh, that's a lot of hairballs. Each cat had 7 little kittens. Oh, how many kittens are there? We have 343 cats, each with 7 kittens. 343 times 7 is, are you ready for this? 2,401 kittens. Kittens, cats, sacks, and wives. Let's add it all up. 2,401 kittens plus 343 cats plus 7 wives plus 1 man. Oh, and me. Don't forget me. Adds up to 2,753. How many are going to St. Ives? Okay, we've done our homework. 2,753 going to St. Ives. Are you ready to see if you're right? Okay, here we go. So now that all of our math is done, the answer, are you ready? Is only 1. That man with wives and sacks, those sacks with all the cats, those cats with all the little kittens, kittens, cats, man and wife. We're going the other way. We're going the other way. The only one we're going to say.